Sir, I think it's a great thing. I think every sport should be encouraged in our country. Cricket is our first sport. Cricket is our first love. We all love cricket, but that doesn't mean that we should not, give kabaddi a platform or football a platform. I think more than anything, uh, you're giving opportunities to the youth, to become something. They don't really have to now just become cricketers. They can be football players. They can become kabaddi players. So I think it's very important. And if you mentioned कि जो हम सब साथ दे रहे हैं, I think जो exposure मिलता है, I think it's for that. But at the end, it's about the quality of the game. It's about how well Star Sports will market the game. And all the people who are involved, जैसे IMG Reliance, Hero, the franchise owners, and everybody. I think we all are putting our best foot forward. We all want to put up a great league which will be entertaining, engaging, which will have quality football. And we all can have, our own Indian football team which will eventually play in the World Cup one day. We have a great team, the core technical team. If there are physiotherapists, there are masseuses, there are, doctors, everything. We are providing the players. जैसे मैंने पहले कहा था, क्योंकि ये पहला साल है, तो we are also learning. We are looking at the models of European clubs, how they treat their players, how they invest in their players, how they flourish the players. So ये पहला साल है, so I'm sure with each year we'll be better. We'll bring in a quality which will only increase the quality of the game. The sport, it's not about the competition between Hindi film personalities or cricketers. I think the best team will win. The best player will be supported. So I'm sure that we can add a little bit of glamour, we can add a little bit of exposure to the sport, but at the end of it, it's the quality of football which will really matter. I can't speak about investment because every business model, so to speak, is a risk. So nothing is a sure shot. This is a virgin territory for all of us. But I think just the fact that everybody who's from the glamour world or the sports world, if they are investing their time, their money in sports, I think it's a great endeavor. Because at the end, a young child in our country will not only choose engineering or just cricket. Now he has a choice of kabaddi, he has a choice of football, he has a choice of tennis, and he has so many other sports. So I think these are baby steps to a glorious future.